If you're thinking dropshipping is dead or it's easy money, well, you're wrong. It took me an entire year to make dropshipping work, and I almost quitted multiple times before I even made a single penny. I didn't even speak proper English when I started. I moved to the UK when I was 14. I had language barrier, no money, no mentor, no skills to start with. The problem wasn't the business, it was me when I started, because I had so many barriers to start with and I lacked discipline, experience, and patience. So dropshipping works, but only if you work, because most people quit under 3 months, and this is a long-term business. You can't really thinking that you're going to be rich overnight. It almost took me more than 1 year to make dropshipping work, and I can tell you it wasn't an easy journey, but guess what? I finally made it. But that's all down to discipline and patience, how much patience you have, because not everybody has the patience, not everybody can make it, and that's why 99% of people never make it. Only 1% are going to make it. The ones are going to make it are the ones who are patient and have disciplines and work through the journey and don't stop and consistently willing to learn. It's not even about making money, it's about learning the skills and learning the things that you need to be learning for your future. So dropshipping is all about product testing, offer, and optimization. If one of those are weak, you're going to lose the entire momentum and the breakdown. So if English wasn't my first language and I still made it out to work, you have no excuse to not make it work if you live in a country that speaks English, because English is one of the most important language and it's almost must to be able to get started, because everything gets easier when you speak English. So if I can do it, you have no excuse to not make it. So dropshipping is not for everyone, because most people quit under 3 months, and dropshipping is for people who don't quit and stay consistent. I'll be honest with you guys, when I started, dropshipping wasn't easy and I had no clue, no idea how it worked. But the only thing that helped me out and made it work is the fact that I stayed consistent throughout the work and learning skills. So I didn't give up. I stayed consistent. Although at the time when I started, I was working 9 to 5, but that didn't stop me dropshipping. I was doing dropshipping 3 to 4 hours every day, watching YouTube, trying it out, taking actions, learning throughout the time, and all of a sudden things started working out, because within some time you get better and better and better without even realizing. So it's all about actions, consistency, and locking in, because without locking in you won't be able to make it. Most people want to make dropshipping work, but they can't make it work because either they're not too serious or they're not committed. It's almost like a relationship that you really need to be committed to make it. Even if you don't make anything for an entire year, you have to stay consistent, because this is one key principles you need to learn. If you don't fail, you never succeed. So you must fail to be able to succeed. And if you fail multiple times, this will strengthen your skills and you get better and you learn from your mistakes. This will help you to progress in the future and get better. So I will be as honest as I can and as transparent as I can. Drop shipping isn't easy, but it's easy when you work through it. It's about consistency and willing to learn and have the commitment. If you have the commitment, definitely and surely I can promise you, you can make dropshipping work. But like I said, you need to have the commitment, because this is number one important thing. Because once you have the because once you have the commitment, nothing else matters. You and your head will tell yourself, I'm going to make it and I'm going to make it. So you will make it within time. But please stay patient and stay consistent. You will definitely make it. If you go ask all these millionaires and billionaires, nobody made it overnight. It will take some time. It's not 1 year game, not 2 year game. This is a decade game. But guess what? You will have financial freedom and you can wake up when you want to. You can go sleep when you want to. You can do what you want to, when you want to, how you want to. This is one important thing that people forget about. Although it might take some time, but you're building an empire. You're building your wealth, your future. So it will take some time, but down in the line, you will be free for the rest of your life. You can work from anywhere. You can do anything that you want. You can literally work from anywhere. You can wake up anytime. You can work anytime. So you're basically your own boss and you can do whatever you want. So It's all about freedom, to be honest, and this is why most people want to start dropshipping, because they don't want to work for people 9 to 5, or they don't like to get told by people. So if you're serious about dropshipping and want to make money online, make sure subscribe to my website, and I will show you exactly how dropshipping works and what I have learned for the past 3 years, and I will exactly share the things that I have learned, the mistakes I have done. So be sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Or if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can DM me. I will leave my Instagram down below and also here, so you can DM me and I will reply you there as well.